There was a lot of organizing going on in the 1970s. People of color were trying to, determine how do I help make change. And so that's the environment that El Centro de la Raza was founded in. We weren't just about Latinos. We were about whites and blacks and Asians and learning about each other. And against all odds, we were determined to exist. Back then, Roberto Maestas, our lead organizer, who ended up becoming my husband, was directing an English as a second language program. And it became the crisis intervention program. And so when the funding was cut, the Chicano, Mexicano, Latino community needed a place. And the Beacon Hill School had been abandoned. The governor at the time said the community should make use of those buildings. And so that was, the Chicano cue that, hey, let's take over that building. The Latino community had no political clout whatsoever, and our clout came from the supporters that we developed. I saw all these people of all races and economic backgrounds coming together to form El Centro de la Raza. There was a 3-month occupation. There wasn't any heat. It was very, very cold. People went on a hunger strike. The real work started winter, spring of '73, when we won the building. Okay, we got a building now. What are we going to do with it? What El Centro provided was a structure that allowed us to make change. Come and volunteer, work with the kids, teach people English, housing and economic development. That is helping grow a community.
El Centro was a big impact of my knowledge of what it is to stay active and to communicate with a community. Me and my brother moved to Beacon Hill in 1994. This was where me and a lot of young Latinos and Black kids used to hang around, and I found my community here. And now I own a business in the same lot that I used to play basketball. I'm a Mexican immigrant. My wife is African American. So we are a Black and brown coffee shop. Centro and the station have the same dreams of helping our Black and brown families.
El Centro de la Raza has been a symbol of what community can do. There is a famous revolutionary by the name of José Martí that said, in a time of crisis, the peoples of the world must come together. That resonates with people. When you come together, you're unified, you're going to be able to make change.